Today we're taking a look at Naked Armor's Beard Balm. I'm Justin and this is 30-day reviews where I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full honest review. Naked Armor was so nice to send me this beard balm, and it came with their shaving kit, which we'll talk about here in a few. Now from the kit, this comes in a 2-ounce tin with a very clean looking design, including the nice pressed logo on the lid, which of course is pretty much your standard nowadays screw top lid. Now as far as scent goes, I'm pretty sure that there's no added ingredients in it to have it have any special scent. However, what I do smell is the grapeseed oil and a little bit of the cedar. But it's nothing really that makes it smell all that particularly good, but it doesn't smell bad or overpowering either. I would consider this beard balm to be in the probably about the medium to light hold range, and it does melt fairly quickly in the hand when you go to apply it. The ingredients are all natural, which include argan, grapeseed, bergamot, orange, cedar, lemon balm, melissa leaf oils, along with vitamin E and jojoba oil. Now to find the ingredients, unfortunately I couldn't find them on the website, and well, they're not on the tin or on the box that it came in. So that meant that I pretty much had to contact the company. And with the list that I got, it was pretty much exactly what I read to you. However, I'm pretty positive that they missed one when they sent it to me, and I'm guessing that that would probably be the beeswax, which most beard balms contain, which gives it the stability to be able to be considered a balm. Now this beard balm also has a little bit darker of a tint of yellow to it than some of the other balms that I have used in the past. However, it didn't change up the color of my goatee whatsoever. My experience using this was a pretty good one. It's easy to apply, it melts very quickly just with the heat of the fingers, and applies very nice and evenly in the goatee or a beard. And as far as the hold goes, I would definitely consider this probably much closer to a light hold than a medium hold. However, I think that it does a fairly good job on helping the goatee. If it does get out of place, it doesn't take much at all with a comb or a brush just to get it right back into place where it's supposed to be. As I stated at the beginning of this review, this does have a nice sleek look to it. It's a nice color. However, I really would like to see a ingredients list and a how to use this list on a sticker on the back, because quite frankly, this might be going to somebody that got this beard kit as a gift. And if they don't know what's in it, especially if they're new to bearding, they're not going to know what to look for next time. So I'd really like to see Naked Armor have a little bit better job on their labeling, but honestly, the product itself is pretty darn good, and I really did like it. So do I think that this is worth your money? Well, that's where we get right back into the you can only buy it with the beard kit. And if you're looking for a all-around beard kit that comes with everything you could possibly need to get your beard looking good, if you need brush, if you need a comb, if you need a scissors to trim up your beard to look its best, then I do think that this for $70 is actually a pretty good deal, especially for a beginner or as a gift, because as you see here, it does come in a fairly nice giftable box. Now, if you want to see my full thoughts on the full beard kit, I will be reviewing that in the future. However, for $70, I think that this is a fairly nice kit. If you are new to bearding or you're looking for a good gift, this has some pretty quality items in it that I think any bearder would like. If you want to pick yourself up one, make sure to check out that link below. And as always, until next time, you have a good one.